In today's video, we are going to cover how to set a default payment method for a customer in Stripe. Start by signing in to your Stripe dashboard with your account details. Once you are in, look to the left-hand menu where Stripe lists the main sections of the dashboard. From there, select Customers to open the area where customer records are stored. When the Customers page loads, find the customer you want to update and open that profile. If you manage several customers, take a moment to make sure you are selecting the correct one before continuing. You want to be on the specific customer record that contains the payment methods you plan to review. Inside the customer profile, scroll down until you reach the payment method section. This area shows the payment methods currently attached to that customer. Depending on the account activity, you may see one method or several. Stay in this section and locate the payment method you want to use as the default going forward. After you find the correct payment method, look for the three-dot menu next to it. This is the options menu for that individual payment method. Click the three dots to open the available actions. In that menu, select Make Default or Set as Default Payment Method. The wording can vary slightly, but the option serves the same purpose. After you choose that setting, Stripe may ask you to confirm the change. If a confirmation prompt appears, review the selection and confirm it. This applies the update to the customer profile and marks that payment method as the one Stripe should use by default for that customer. Once the change is saved, the selected payment method becomes the customer's default payment method. That means Stripe will use it as the primary saved payment option for that customer based on the settings available in their profile. If you are reviewing the page afterward, you should see that payment method reflected as the default in the payment method section. If you do not immediately see the update, give the page a moment to refresh and then check the same section again. The key detail is that the change is made from the three-dot menu beside the payment method itself, not from a general customer edit screen. Keeping that in mind can help you find the setting quickly when you return to this process later. You have now set the selected payment method as the customer's default payment method in Stripe.